Hello everyone. In Python series, the next program is the how to sketch any portrait by using the Python. So there are only 3-line code are there, and first we install this library pip install sketch py. So I have already installed. That's why I should give the command sign. Then second is from sketch py import library as lib. This is the object. You can directly use this one from sketch py import library. There is no need to use this, but I am using. Then this is the obj is a variable name. Then I pass the object, and then this is the name, the which portrait I am want to show you, rdj. um, there is some inbuilt sketch in Python, have some inbuilt sketch. So one by one I will tell you. Iron is sorry. First I run this library, then this is a third one. So I will show you the picture. This is the rdj. So it portrait the picture. Next, same thing. I have told you that you can use there is APJ Abdul Kalam. Only you can write APJ. You can write dot flag. Okay. So this is the flag. So 5, 6 option are given by the Python. Is in inbuilt sketch. There I can also use the BTS. BTS is a South Korean band. First show you the problem. This one, and this is the South Korean band BTS. So you can use the different which is given by the Python. uh, you can try it by giving the different object. So this is the program where I show you that how to sketch the any portrait by using the sketch by library. Hope you like it. Thank you.